Hello students, in today's video let us continue with the determinants chapter, and that the first question is show that the points A, the coordinates are, the point A's coordinates are A, B plus C, and called B comma C plus A, C comma A plus B are collinear. We have to show that these 3 points are collinear in determinant method. How to show these three points are collinear in general. This may ask for 2 marks question. See here, if you need to show that any 3 points are collinear, if you show that the area of the triangle is value is 0, then automatically that 3 points are collinear. Indirectly they ask the area of the triangle is 0, whether it is 0 or no. Area of triangle ABC. You all know that how to write in determinant method. Half. The determinant means you should write in this manner only. All the coordinates should be like A, B plus C, and here it is 1. The next row is B coordinate, that is B, C plus A, here 1. Next C, A plus B, and here 1. We have to show that the area of the triangle is what? 0. So that purpose I will rearrange this one. The first column should be equal to C1 plus C2. We have to interchange the first column to the column, adding the column 1 and column 2. You will get, see, adding column 1 and column 2, it will be the what? The first column, that is A, B plus C, means A plus B plus C. Next, second column is B plus C plus A. Here it is C plus A plus B. That is nothing but this all are A plus B, A plus B, A plus B only. This column, second column is same. Only we have to change the column 1. Okay. Next, take the common. See here, in this first column, all elements are same. If I take A plus B plus C outside, then you will get in the first column is 1, 1, 1. You all know these properties. And next B plus C, C plus A plus B. The next it is 1, 1, 1. Okay. Next, you all know the properties of indeterminate. Just remember that if any 2 columns or any 2 rows are same, identical, means here 1, 1 is the 1, 1. The C1, C3 are similar. If this happen in determinant, automatically that determinant value is 0. Okay, 0 into anything is 0, because of C1 is similar to C3. If the 2 rows or 2 columns are identical means one column ಇನ್ನೊಂದು column ಜೊತೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 1, 1, 1, the third column is 1, 1, 1. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೈ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, properties, not proofs, for the general knowledge. And the next second question is, see here, if the area of triangle ABC is 0 means, if the area of the triangle of ABC 0 means there are points A of B plus C and B of C plus A. Next, C of A plus B are what? Collinear. Okay. Next question is, Find the equation of a line joining these two points using determinant. See here, this question is very important for the 2 marks question. Again here, see, using determinant, how to show that or how to find the equation of a one particular line. It means using determinants. See here, it's very simple. If you show that these all 3 points are, these 2 points are collinear, because see here, first I will write the given things. Let A of 1, 2 and B of 3, 6 be given points. These are the given points. The given points is the capital A and capital B. But we have to take one general point, that is C. Let's see general, that coordinate is x, y. B, any point on the line AB, then A, B and C are collinear. They are already told that this is one line. That line is joining these 2 points. If I take one general point that is on this particular line only, the line is joining these 2 points, no? This C is also exactly lies on this point only, this line only, this point is. Next we have to, then if the C is also lies on this line, then A and B is also lies on that particular line, means that all points are collinear. Okay, then you all know that by the concept, if the these 3 points are collinear, area of triangle is 0. Area of triangle is 0. So using that, first we have to write the area of triangle is the formula half. The first coordinate I will write the C coordinate. The next is 1, 2, A coordinate, B coordinate is 3 and 6, 1. This determinant should be 0. This is a given thing. Given thing means the collinear. So if you expanding along the first row, if you expand this along with the first row, what would happen? See, x, first row, first column, 2 ones are 2, minus 6, similarly minus y, you will get what? See, 1 into 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1, 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, the next, so here half is there, no? These 2 moves to the RHS part, it automatically it becomes 0. The next, see here, x as it is, 2 minus 4 is, you will get minus 4, and next minus y as it is, this one you will get minus 2 plus 0 is equal to 0. Then minus 4x minus into minus plus 2y is equal to 0. Then finally you will get y is equal to what? 2x. After rearranging this all, you will get what? Y is equal to 2x. So this will be the particular equation of the line that passing through these 2 points. This may ask in 2 marks question. This is one of the important question. Next, here the next question. Find the value of k if area of triangle is 35 square units using the width vertices is here. We have to find the value of k, that is nothing but this third coordinate point. They are already given that the area of triangle is 35. You all know that the area of triangle formula, okay, is what? Half. First we have to write in the first row is 2 comma minus 6, 5 comma 4, k comma 4. The third column will be 1 1 1. Already they are given that this value is 35 square units. Okay, the next 35 square units means it may be plus or minus. Okay, next we have to find this value using the main. Here this 2 goes to this side. This is as it is 25k minus 6 4 4 1 1 1. The plus or minus 35 into 2. This 2 goes to RHS part and it becomes multiply 2. Multiplication into 2. The next, expanding this from the first row, you will get the determinants. 2 is as it is. The first row, first column, the determinant of this particular, this 1 into 4 is 4 minus 4 plus it should be alternate 7, that minus and this minus become plus, and 6. Then you will get 5 minus k. Next plus 1 as it is. This row in this column, 5 into 4 20 minus 4k. Then you will get into plus or minus 35 into 2, you will get 70. Similarly, if you solve this 4 minus 4, you will get 0. 0 into anything is 0. Next 60 into 5 is 30. 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k is equal to plus or minus 70. Okay, next 30 plus 20 is 50 minus 10k is equal to plus or minus 70k. Okay, see here, if it is a 50 minus 10k plus or minus 70 is there. Suppose there are possibilities plus 70 or else minus 70. Okay, next, if minus 10k is equal to 70 minus 50, you will get 20. Then your final, the k value is maybe k is equal to minus 2. And similarly here, if it is a minus 70, 50 plus 10k is equal to minus 70 is there. Then minus 10k is equal to minus 70. The plus 50 goes to this side, this minus 50. Then minus 70 minus 50 will get minus 120. This is minus 10k, minus minus goes and k is equal to, will get 120. Okay, then there are two possibilities are there. K is equal to 12. Okay, the next, there are possibilities is k is equal to minus 2 and k is equal to 12. This is one of the important thing. The next, the next question is, find the value of x for the determinant 2 4 5 1 is equal to 2x 4 6x. So see here how to do this one. First we have to determine the LHS part and RHS part, that should be equal. See here how to do the determinant of the square 2 cross 2 matrices. First 1 into 2 minus 5 into this. See here 2 into 1 you will get 2, subtraction 5 into 4 is 20. Next this is equal to 2x into x, 2x square minus 6 into 4 is 24 is there. We have to find the value of the particular x, this x. So 2 minus 20 will get minus 18 is equal to 2x square minus 24. Then 0 is equal to 2x square minus 24. This minus it goes to RHS part and becomes plus 18. Then 2x square minus 24 plus 18, you will get 6. 6 and 0. Then using this equation we have to find 2x square is equal to, will get 6. Then x square is equal to 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. Then x is equal to, we'll get plus or minus root 3. This would be the answer of, this is the answer of this question. Find the value of x. This may ask for 1 marks questions.